Hey friends, welcome back to the Artistry Corner. Today is Finish It Tuesday and I have a quick little video for you where I finally complete my reindeer resin tray. In my last video I poured the base layer and today I'm adding these cute little reindeer face decals that I made with my Cricut Joy. I'm placing them carefully onto the cured resin, smoothing them out without any bubbles as I go. So without further ado, let's get started. Now that the decals are in place, I'm pouring a thin, even top coat of resin to seal everything in. Using my T-Expert epoxy resin, which is going to give the tray a glossy finish and protect the decals. And I also have a T-Expert discount code to get 10% off if you purchase using Artistry 10 from their website. I have linked it in the description down below. I don't see any bubbles, but just in case. It's perfect. Okay, I'll let this cure completely, and once it's done, this adorable little reindeer tray will be ready for the holidays.
Okay, it's ready. It's the moving time. We can look and see if we're gonna need anything else. It's cute. Okay, I decided I would do crown gold. Just like right here on the edge. I'm gonna be using the... Okay, this is the... is this the next resin crown marker? Yeah. Looks like an antique gold.
I don't want to do the antlers. Just, that should be good right there. Okay. He looks adorable. Hope you can see it. I'll take some pictures. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have lots of mixed media creative projects here at the Artistry Corner. Have a great day. Bye.